You guys, good morning. I hope you're all doing well. Today is I didn't check the date. Today is 20th of February and we'll be starting school today. Finally, you guys. School that started long years ago. We'll finally start. Yeah, today we'll be introduced to the class and then we'll join the class that we are supposed to join. And so yeah. And definitely, I have to document this day. It's not going to come again. Starting school or university in a Ghanaian community. Or starting school in Ghana now. Yeah, schooling in Ghana. So, yeah, I'm just dressing now. My place is really far. I told you guys, right? Very, very extremely far. So, my neighbor has a motor, a bike that she rides. So, she's going to take me. I'll be joining her to school now. Yeah, and then I also learn and very soon bit of start riding because they don't allow any other transport in school. It's either you have your own car or your own bike. With apart from those two, you have to walk. Yeah, no matter how far your distance or your places. So yeah, so that's what's happening. She's still not there. The disadvantage is that for me, I like going to school early, right? But she doesn't like going to school early. And so since I have to join her, I have to wait for her to finish before I can go to school. If I had my own bike, I'm already in school. This school is starting 7 a.m. I go to school 6:30. Sit there. Relax before class actually starts. Did I do it well? That's a struggle, you guys. If you are living alone, you do everything by yourself. You don't have any help. If I was home, I had so many helps. My mom, my auntie, my siblings, they're all there to help me. So I think it's okay. No. You guys, I did this hair. It's not even up to a month. By the time I did it, I was not feeling well. So I was just like, and I didn't even like the hair. So I was just treating it anyhow. Now it's looking so old. I don't know. I don't like it anymore. I have to remove it. So yeah. Yeah, let's go to school. So you guys, because of how dusty it is, I have to wear slides with socks. Okay? When I get to school, then I have this wet napkin that I have. It's always wet. I used to, wipe my legs. Then I have this little pomade. I wipe on my leg, yeah, my toes and leg. Then I wear my flat shoe. Yeah. So that's how I keep myself neat, or else I'll be so soaked in dust. It's not even a joke. Even my tra, I don't know how to show you guys my outfit. Let me turn the camera and see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? I don't know if you guys saw that, but then I don't know if you saw the, but yeah, my tra is very long. I'll let my neighbor hold the camera so I show you guys my outfit for today. It's quite long, so it might sweep the floor and all that. And the road here is not sad or anything. It's a rough road, so we'll see how it goes, right? Yeah. Did you guys hear the bike? We are ready to go to school. And then when I came to Tamale, I realized that I now drink water so much, a lot. At home, I can drink just 1 bottle of water. When I came to Tamale, I can drink 5 bottles a day. So yeah, every day I have to take my water bottle along, and I think basically I'm ready. So this is my bag, and then this is where my shoe and my water is. I'm carrying so many things, and I have an order that someone is coming to pick. It's rather too. Oh my god. So she'll come today. She got a retractable tape, a rechargeable pen touch, the USB type, and then a tuning fork 512 heads. So I have to take that to school alongside with another guy's order, Dr. Gariba. He bought a stethoscope case and then a rechargeable pen touch. Yeah. So let's go to school, guys. Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you happy to go to school?
No.
No one is happy, I guess. Yeah, you guys. Woo. Up to date, I don't even know how to lock my gates. Oh. Yeah, I've locked it. So carry my bags. Yeah, let's go to school. We are going to school, you guys. Oh, they've locked the gate. Who locked it?
Let me open. Why do you always lock it and sleep? You always want us to leave it like that.
Oh, mommy, I always sleep early, so I don't know. I sleep like 9 p.m. or
They can
8,
come
10.
and steal you.
So please, let's leave the key before you guys lock me out. I don't have my key yet.
Are you coming? I'll meet you.
No, I'll forget. I promise. So let's leave
You
it.
won't forget. I'll ask you.
Oh my goodness. Let's go. Bye, guys. You guys, I'm at the School of Medicine now. This is the building. People are here, so I'm shy. I can't raise the camera. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. You guys, apparently today they have just tutorials. And tutorials, they meet in like group of, I don't know the number. I think 10. They are 10 in a group and they meet. And so it's just like everyone in the group. So you are not meeting everyone today. So I don't know. They are yet to be introduced to the class, whether regular or... My friend is calling me. The way he has dressed for first day, it's not even a joke. Hi, you guys. I'm the worst vlogger ever. Oh my god. I totally forgot that I was, vlogging today. So I came back from school around, I think that was 2 p.m. Yeah, so let me just give a rundown on what happened. So I got to school around 7 a.m. right, and then we had to wait for the dean and then Professor Mogri to give us the class we were supposed to join, because we have two classes, the regular and then the degree holders, or the parallel, or the graduates. They have so many names they call themselves. So, and since we are not like SHS leavers, we have me like this. I've finished 4 years. I have like, that's like a whole degree. So I'm not SHS leaver, one small girl. So yeah, why should I join regular class? But anyway, they were still deciding on that. So we had to, sorry you guys. We had to wait for them to confirm that. So we're there 7:30. He was not showing up. We met the vice dean and he even said we should go for a key and sit in the room and wait. He was even so nice to us. So we didn't want to wait just like that. So I called one of my friends in the parallel class that have they started. They said they've not started class that was supposed to start 7 a.m. They didn't start, and I said, oh, we want to join them. He said, okay, we should come. So we went and then we joined them, and class started, I think 7:40, or I've forgotten the actual time, but we finally started class. It was a tutorial class, so it was something similar to Ukraine, what we're doing. So in Ukraine, we had class and then lectures, right? Lectures is when the whole year group joins, but lectures is not. The main thing is class. Every day we have class, and every class marks are awarded. If you fail a class, you rework that class, all those things. So it was basically like what they do over here, the PBL, problem-based learning. So we had a tutorial today, a class, I think maximum of 10 in a group. You have a topic where you discussed, you were supposed to read on, so you come sit down and then everyone discuss the topic, and when there is misunderstanding, the tutor explains further. Yeah, so that's one thing that's similar to what we're doing in Ukraine. So we had that for I think an hour and few minutes, and we closed at 9 a.m. After 9 a.m. we went to Professor Mogri that year, where should we join, or which class should we join? And he said they are still deciding. We should wait. We sat there like forever. he went to meet the dean, and then he came back and they said finally we should join the parallel class and that we can start class and what. So they said we should meet the clinical coordinator. They'll give us one student that will take us through the 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks things they've learned before us and all that. So we waited. We had to wait for the clinical coordinator to. We waited till almost 2 p.m. and then he finally showed up, took us to his office, gave us an introduction and just like orientation, all the plenty this thing. So after that, my friend is calling. Let me finish. After that, then what else? Oh, I'm coming, you guys. Okay, sorry, you guys. So someone made an order and they were coming for it. So yeah, so that was just by the way. Yeah, your business girl. Anyway, so yeah, after meeting the clinical coordinator and then giving us an introduction and all that, then we were now finally done. We can go home now. So we met the head of parallel class, the group leader, or no, class leader, I don't know, and then yeah, he would have to add us to the group and all that plenty thing. They have an exam coming next week Friday. The clinical coordinator said he doesn't know if we'll be ready, so we should just join the class. If by next week Friday we see ourselves to be ready, then we can write it. If we are not ready, we should come meet him and tell him we are not ready, and he will let us write it whenever we are ready. So yeah, and yeah, so that's basically it. And I came home. I walked home. I wore slides and then I had to change to shoes, right? The slides here, it's so brown. Let me show you guys. So this is the slides. This slide, yesterday in the evening I washed it, so it was really nice, looking like a brand new slide. Now look at it, so dirty, so dirty, full of dust. So yeah, every day that's the work I'll be doing. And yeah, so I think I'm adjusting gradually. And yeah, so that's the end of the day. I came to eat, and I'll take some nap right now, wake up later, steady, and yeah, that's all. That's the life we are living right now. Saturday is matriculation, you guys, and can you imagine a big girl like me, they want me to do matriculation. But yeah, I just told them that, not me, like with the Ukraine student, we told them no, we don't need that. So they said okay, it's not compulsory, we don't have to come, so we can stay. We said okay. So yeah, basically right now what I don't have anything to do right now. Let me go and sleep, and I don't do whatever I have to do. If anything interesting happens later in the day, I'll show you guys, but for now it's a bye guys. You guys, so the update is that I woke up not long ago and I took banku. Yeah, banku with palm nut soup. If my palm nut soup is done, I'll not take palm nut soup again till I go home, or maybe they bring it from home, because I can't prepare it here. I don't have like the things to prepare that. Yeah, so yeah, so I took that for supper, and then now I'm come to study, and yeah, that'll be it. That's basically my day. Nothing really happened. And yeah, they added me to the class group. They are just making noise and all those things. Very funny, but yeah, it's all part of life. Yeah, so basically that's it. I'll back later and then sleep. And yeah, I have water at my place. Even though I'm in Tamale, but I don't have water crisis. Most people don't have water. They always buy water, and water this, but that's the only advantage about my place. Even though it's far, we are only 3 in the house, and we have like 2 big poly tanks, so we have water. It's not even a joke, and it pumps directly into the room, so we don't even have to fetch it. Or no, that's the only good thing. So yeah, that should be all. Good morning, guys. Today is day 2. Today we have lectures, so yeah, I'll meet everyone today. And yeah, so today my neighbor, who was the one supposed to take me, she had class 7, and then later they changed it to 10. So I was thinking I'll go with her and then stay on campus. When it's time, then I'll go for my lectures. I finished dressing just to realize that they changed her own and so she won't be good. And so I have to work today. I'm already tired, as you can see. I just came out from my house and I'm already tired. You guys see? Do you guys see the woman? She's carrying 2 children, or 3 even. Yeah. And so yeah, today I'll be working, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.